Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm the National Girls Program Coordinator at Actua, Canada's largest science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, also known as STEM, outreach organization. For far too long, women and girls have been underrepresented in STEM. Did you know that only 1 in 4 computer science undergrads in Canada identify as female? This underrepresentation means that computer science and society at large risk losing women's perspectives and contributions. In our digital world, knowing how technology works and how to use it is more than a valuable tool. It is an essential skill, and that's where girl-led content comes in. Girl-led content in STEM outreach programs is where girls take an active role in determining the what, where, when, why, and how of their STEM education. Evidence shows that when youth are given the opportunity to shape their own learning, that learning is more impactful and motivating to their long-term plans. At Actua, we believe that successful girl-led content has 4 key ingredients: voice, respect, choice, and challenge. So, what is girl-led content? The first essential part to girl-led content is ensuring that girls' voice counts. Voice is about everyone's ideas being shared. We encourage programs where girls are given a space to speak up, share ideas, and contribute to future program development. Ask how engaging with girls' voices can shape your program. Consider a brainstorming night or a youth council. The next key ingredient to creating great girl-led content is to foster a safe space for learning that shows respect and empathy, regardless of age, race, class, ability, and background. Everyone needs a safe space where they can learn. When youth feel safe, they feel like they belong. That sense of belonging leads to confidence to try new and innovative things. Consider who is and isn't present. Who leads? How do these aspects affect what your girls are learning? The way a program is designed is as important as its content. For girl-led content to be successful, girls need to make their own choices. This empowers girls to take action on their ideas. Girls bring big ideas, and programs should take their interests and incorporate them into activities. If a girl wants to become a CEO, she can build a website for her business, while a girl who's interested in gaming can code her own game. Ensure girls have the time and space to shape projects into something that excites them. Program instructors should ask, how can I support girls in making their ideas happen? Just like in science and engineering, great girl-led content requires a healthy challenge. Girls should be encouraged to question, disagree, and challenge ideas presented by their parents, teachers, and peers. It's a meaningful way to grow and consider the opinions of others. Girl-led content can empower girls to become confident, capable, informed leaders who forge their own sense of identity and belonging. To motivate and support girls, we need to create opportunities that celebrate digital skills as being for girls. These girls will become the programmers, entrepreneurs, CEOs, engineers, doctors, artists, and leaders of tomorrow. And we'll all be better for it.